freelance makeup. I started doing makeup around 2006, so ever since then I haven't stopped. I've been doing weddings, pageants, huge events for corporations, runway shows, so haven't stopped. I've always been a creative person ever since I was little. Love to draw, love to paint, so I just wanted to find an outlet that suited me, so I just fell in love with makeup the minute I found it, and I just haven't stopped doing it, and I get so passionate when I get to transform people doing makeovers, you know, on their big wedding days. I like to transform their faces and make them feel beautiful from the inside and out, and that's what keeps me going because that feeling is so rewarding. I want to work in Hollywood, I want to work on movie sets, I want to work in television, I want to do a lot of weddings. I know you can't really do it all, but I would love to work in editorial and print, and if that doesn't work out, maybe television or movies. I'm working with Joseph Angelo Warner, and I'm working with Erica Lee. She does hair. So today we're just going to showcase his t-shirt line, and I'm just doing a lot of a lot of contouring, a lot of smoky eyes, a lot of fun stuff, and just a couple surprises too for the crowd coming later tonight. I think it's a great platform for all artists, models, photographers, painters, fashion designers, hairstylists. I think it's a great platform for them to showcase their work and really push them to their limits, and you know, put them in that real environment, and you know, just be excited about it and just hone your skill and just show it to the world. I think it's a great opportunity for everybody. I'm Jen Costello, and I'm a raw artist.